Are you afraid of speaking English? Today, I'm going to train your mind and your voice so that fear finally disappears. If you freeze, if your mind goes blank, or if you feel insecure, this shadowing practice is made for you. Stay with me because today you're going to feel a real change. A few weeks ago, I was helping one of my students on a video call. We had practiced a lot. He understood everything, his pronunciation was good. But when I asked him a very simple question, he suddenly froze. He didn't say a word. I saw him get nervous, look down, and whisper, "I know the answer, but I can't say it." And that broke my heart a little. Because that's the real problem. It's not a lack of English, it's fear. Fear of sounding wrong, fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged. And that's exactly why I created this shadowing practice. Not to teach more English, but to help you trust your voice.
Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Your voice sounds clearer when your body feels calm. Now, repeat after me. I'm right here with you. I'm learning at my own pace. I feel more confident every time I practice. I don't need to be perfect to speak. My voice is enough. Anti-fear set. Mistakes help me grow. I can speak clearly. I can express myself. I'm not afraid of speaking English anymore. Empowerment set. Every day I improve. I trust my ability to speak English. I deserve to communicate with confidence. I am proud of my progress. Real life set. I can talk to new people. I can ask questions without fear. I can share my ideas in English. Speaking English feels natural to me.
Let me tell you something as your teacher. Fear doesn't disappear by studying more grammar. It disappears when your brain gets used to hearing your own voice speaking English. That's why this method works so fast. Repetition, rhythm, and confidence. Do this shadowing practice 3 times today, and tomorrow do it 2 more times. In just a few days, you'll notice your voice coming out faster, clearer, and more naturally. I'm really proud of you. Thank you for trusting me and for training with me. I'll see you in the next video.